Welcome to Blossy Beauty Natural. Welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe for more video like this. On our today's video, I'm just going to show you simple way you can make your Moroccan base soap at home without no stress. Right now, what we are doing here is we are dissolving our potassium hydroxide inside water. Please, once it's your time, do well to filter it, because you can see this thing comes with debris. You can see there is some dirt in it while I'm mixing, and it's advisable you mix outside. And please always wear your safety guide. And once you mix, you put aside and allow it to cool down. Here now we have our palm kernel oil already measured out, and what I'm adding now is Glycerin to make it as the humectant, to make it soft and glossy. So I am just going to mix my the mixture of my Glycerin and my palm kernel oil. That is a cold pressed palm kernel oil. So with this now, they are all was stirred together, all they have marinated together. So I'm just going to, and I've already filtered my lye water, and now adding here now is my lye water. My lye water is what is going to saponify the oil for us to achieve our soap base, Moroccan soap base. It's easy to make. Soap making is not as hard as you think. That is why you have to subscribe to this channel. Stick with me while I teach you skills that you can use to be updating yourself as well. Please subscribe. Take us to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. So after pouring in your lye water, you continue mixing till the oil and the lye water unify and become a paste like mixture. While you are mixing, please continue mixing, because it will look like it is separating. You just have to keep mixing. This is how potassium hydroxide behave, especially if you are a beginner. Do not be scared. You can see the separation. I've just changed to my whisk because I need to continue mixing for us to achieve a trace. And then this is why now I'm using my whisk. You continue mixing. You can see it's blending together. Gradually the blending is coming on. It's a patient thing you need to do. You mix, you rest, you mix, you rest, and you see it's becoming a thick consistency, but yet it's still separating. That does not mean that your soap has spoiled. Your soap has not spoiled. You continue mixing until you see a thick trace. Once you get to that thick trace, it means that your soap is already halfway to final production. It is already achieving a thick trace, and that thick trace can help you to achieve a glossy soap. So without the thick trace, you cannot put your soap on heat. Now I'm adding my alcohol. This is my ethanol. Some people use methanol, but I use ethanol because ethanol is more of a skin friendly than a methanol. So I use ethanol, which means the soap is safer. Now I have added. Once I add it, I am still mixing for me to get a more consistency of my soap. Don't forget we are making Moroccan soap base, right? You can see it at this time. Now you see it is foaming. At this time you can see that it is bubbling. This means that your soap is gelling. You see bubble as soon as I pour my alcohol. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, comment so that we know what next you want from us. So this is it. I'm still whisking. You can see it's getting a better texture than the way it was before. The soap is gelling. At this moment, I'm getting ready to put the soap on fire, because once the full soap is on fire, it will now make it cook faster. That is a heat transfer. I am using hot process for this. Now I have gone this far to mix it, and for it to get thicker, I want the soap to be useful in no time. This is a consistency I am now. With this consistency now, I can now go on fire. And my fire is just going to be a very low heat. The low heat that will not take up to few minutes to just cook. I just need an external heat to make sure my soap is well gelled. So you can see the consistency we are now. The soap is already gelling. Now you can see, because of the little heat I introduced, you can see it's not like a potato, mashed potatoes. This is what we mean by our African Moroccan soap base. Please do well to join this family. At Blossy Beauty Skills, we make sure you get everything we post most of the time. And if you are following us, thank you. If you are yet to follow us, please, following is a free thing. Please follow us, subscribe to our channel, and we are grateful for that. And I promise to always give you something yummy every time. This is the consistency now we have. You can see how it is. From here now, you are free to add your whitening agents, your actives. It can be your herbal actives, it can be your serum, it can be whatsoever you want to add. This is the stage where you start adding them. This soap now is ready to be used. You just allow it to settle down, allow it to cure for like 7 days, and your soap is ready. And if you don't want to add anything, just want it to be a natural soap base, you can use it like that, like this. If you want to use it to produce any black soap, to promise any other soap, this is the time you need to add everything else. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to this channel, like and then comment for us to know if we are getting something from what I have taught you so far. I am transferring. Thank you very much. God bless you.